By mistake, people just they take sex lightly.
Very lightly. Yeah.
Sex is something that is very spiritual. Ali, uzawunikeza 3,000 kokwani bathenga groceries nombani azokuxelela ba wena ndazi hayi ukukhulisa nge 3,000. That's oppression, my guy.
Abenze intoni abadisrespect because babona laa nami ndiyibonile mhlawumbi ibisithi uthini unatya uthini. I think at that moment, I don't know, I could have stupidly lost my job in that situation. Yeah. Yes, it was going to be stupid of me. Because that's on Roma. Yes.
We are rolling shooting.
What is it?
We are rolling.
Oh, cut.
So scared.
Because I can't.
Yeah, don't cheat. No.
Good morning, world. Welcome to another episode of Hang with Us, Kaingane, with your girl. I am Sese, and I'm with my guy.
Good morning, the world. Hey, it's been a while since we've been with you. Yeah, it's a great weekend. It's a Saturday. As you said, as you heard from her, Betty the cheer up in Zwagas. My chase, I'm a dance. She's happy. I hope you are good, man. Sharp. The month of April, you enjoyed your Easters. Yeah, now I didn't go. Yeah. All right, go for it. You enjoy Easters.
Top notch. I'm good. I did enjoy Easters, and yeah, I'm good. As you can see,
at least one of us
is what
went to church.
Oh, so
enjoy
okay.
Easters. It's contagious. It's contagious. It's your sulela land, yabo. So what? Yeah,
what?
Why are you lying? Because you did not go to church.
Where did you enjoy Easter? Did you enjoy Easter?
But he said at least one of us
Yeah,
went
but
to
we are
church.
fine and that guy who's like which race you wouldn't date
He assumed at least one of you did go to church. Hence in the city.
But my heart was there. Church is not a foundation. Church is you and your heart.
Guys,
God knows the circumstances that made me not go to church.
Maybe you must go first.
Look who's talking.
You
Even
must
my
go
name, Elam calls me Lion of Truth.
You must go first, man. To represent.
It was only
the
Easter
podcast.
weekend that I didn't go to church. But but guys, but anyways, guys, I'm a lovely soul, so I do go to church. There's this condescending matter that always occurs in my mind, yes. And I think it's most things that we should talk about.
Yeah.
After a relationship, do you do cleansing?
I won't lie. I've never done that. They say after a relationship, if you break up with the person, yeah, okay, there's a space that I will not be looking to date, but I've never, let's say, do cleansing. Cleansing is more like usenza into almost to ususa izinto, ususa imnyama and stuff. I've never done that, but I think it is important, but I've never seen it so important. But as it lihamba and you see things, because as I hear abanye abantu bethetha about soul ties, is that you can even carry it to omnye umuntu, yabo. You find out now you're dating this person, then izinto zingahambi kakuhle ne.
Okay.
Mhlawumbe not zingahambi kakuhle kuye mhlawumbe zingahambi kakuhle, then uhlukane naye lo muntu lona, then all of a sudden the person is glowing. Ayibo. Ufumana imisebenzi contract.
Yes.
Only to find out about okay, nguwe.
Okay.
That was like in a way hindering his success yakhe. Not knowingly. Now you're not aware that you are the one who's like maybe that is due to the soul ties thing, carrying bad spirits from a previous relationship, because not so is clean, not so they say ritually clean or asingcolanga abanye abantu basebenza into zabo, you understand, so that's my say. But to answer your question, I've never.
So you've never done it before.
I've never
You've
done
never.
it before. I've never done it before.
Would you like? Is it something now that we're talking about? Okay, when you're watching the episode, because there are mostly people like you out there.
Yeah.
I understand. Like a person who wanna learn, oh, okay, I was moving from this relationship to another relationship, and I never saw. Into is and then and be stagnant.
Yes,
People
yes,
are not aware of ezinyizinto, but remember, when you are in a relationship with a person, you embark on that journey of having sex,
Yes.
and that is a blood covenant on its own.
Yes.
Yeah, and I understand that because kubekho abantu where, hi baby, I'm on my period, siza kwendlala itawuli,
Yeah.
siyangena zwapha.
Mm.
We understand that is a blood covenant because.
Yeah.
And ufumaniseke uba asikho ne-spices and noodles.
Okay.
There are couples that is spicy noodles.
Okay.
You know my term.
Yes, I know.
And then now
Wait, what is spicy noodles?
a condom, my
Oh.
Protection.
a condom.
So, yeah.
I'm sorry, Monunuza, because yes,
Sorry.
we're gonna go
So yeah.
But
yeah, understand. So now ufumaniseke uba okay, we're doing this thing. I'm on my periods and everything. We're talking in general, guys. Disgusting. It is, but yeah, understand. So it's a blood covenant on its own. Number 2. So we exchange imimoya. Remember, it's called the soul tie ngamabom. By mistake, people they take sex lightly.
very likely. Yeah.
Sex is something that is very spiritual.
It's very spiritual.
Ndiyakhumbula xa Nkosi yam sasikhipha ama-files khona manje, okay, it's fine. There are moments where I would be like, I'm giving you my soul.
Yeah, it is very
You
spiritual.
know,
But
so
to your point, like asking me if I've ever done cleansing, it's not that I don't believe in soul ties.
Okay.
I do believe it
Yeah.
in them, ne? And I always say that. And I've seen people. There's an actor that was on the series Adulting that once was asking, but now that a lot of men like you, man, so do you like go for them and stuff?
okay.
Lamshida was like, hey, it's difficult to be going for women because when you rub your belly button
Okay.
against it, there's a lot of it changes that occurs or transition between the two of you. So
Okay.
there's a lot of things that are transferred.
So the minute imibono
Yeah,
yenu
that
kula
is
friction
incover,
yenzayo.
yeah,
Okay.
So I do believe that there are soul ties, yeah, but I never thought about it's something that you should go like that much, that what do you call an extra mile into going that far into cleansing. But now that you are bringing it up, I think it's something that needs to be done. I think it's something that needs to be done because my only know cleansing when maybe you and your partner had a child,
Okay.
a miscarriage.
Okay.
Then you go and do that before you go to another relationship, or before you try another one. But I think it's also deep, man.
Yeah.
Stuff of like
Let me make you understand, but why is it a concerning matter? Let's say I had a miscarriage.
Yeah.
You understand that? And you are pursuing another relationship. With a virgin.
yes.
So anizazi like medical conditions is you know, and everything. And then now ufumaniseke ba you guys were pregnant and then aware and unaware. Yeah, I understand that you had a miscarriage and everything.
Like we have
Bakhona abanye abantu ufumaniseke ba they have infertility problems.
yeah.
Not just because umhlambi ukutheni na, it's because of I had a miscarriage. We broke up. We never got e-cleansing. Both of us now, you are continuously giving it to another person.
Another person.
And for man's after you broke up with that person, now you meet xa no unga understand, nisheke nidiyobhana ngokuba eyona ngxaki nguwe. And it happens to most married couples because married people, they cheat, my guy. They cheat. And they cheat in general, guys, since you hold me accountable.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Usalizwa buys me weaves, Usalizwa buys me designer clothes, designer bags and everything. Whereas Usalizwa is married. umfazi uhlala endlini. Yeah, understand? Let's not talk about uchita komfazi. Mhlawumbe bayachita because ubhaqe echita. Masiyeke leyo. Like let's talk about abafazi kufumaniseka ba akenzanga nto umntana abantu. Uhleli uloyal.
Okay.
Now usalizwa ndiyamitha because kaloku kade akafuna usebenza icondom. Nama ndifuna si aware of this whole thing. Ndiyamitha ndikhupha iziso okokoko. Ndikhupha iziso okokoko. Now ufumaniseka ba umfazi can't even get pregnant. It's because of you never had cleansing.
Because the husband is carrying that thing from outside.
You get it?
Yeah, that's why I said to you are making a point when you say even if I do meet a girl that had a miscarriage.
Okay.
That didn't go for cleansing.
Okay.
I date her. We do our stuff. I move on. Remember, she didn't have a cleansing. She didn't do a ceremony.
She didn't even tell you that.
She didn't even tell you. I don't even know. So that's why I'm saying now that you're bringing it up, I think it's very important.
Now you see the importance of the talking stage when it comes to you starting a relationship.
Yeah.
Because now I'm gonna tell you that do you have kids? DTK, I'm like, no, I was about to have a kid, and then this actually happened and everything. I think it's a very good thing. Like, if you ask the person that you're about to date, what do you feel? Okay, what do you think? Sorry, how do you feel rather? Or what do you think about cleansing? And do you believe in such thing as soul ties? Have that proper conversation so that but if a person you can genuinely see a person who doesn't know anything and who's open to learn more about it.
Yes.
Yeah, and understand that than a person who might say, but you are able to ndamkupa, so you're in danger, my
like
guy.
on the talking stage, okay, it's important the talking stage, but chances sometimes you're not going to get all the information that you want on the talking stage. You understand? Because the person is not. If I asked you like, have you ever had a miscarriage? You might not tell me.
Okay.
You understand? But the most important thing, as I said, like you're making a point when you are saying cleanse before going to another relationship.
I do that a lot, man.
Because if you do that, you're keeping yourself safe. Whether she lied when she said she never had a miscarriage or what, but when now we as husband, we go to figure wenza umcimbi to clean. If when you regardless, cleaning for the.
And there's actually a person who said,
so be safe.
I can't be in a relationship with you because I have to wait for that. Titi bra, there's a certain curation and this cleansing, it was a very deep one.
Yes,
yeah, I understand that because it's stages. And I had to turn vegan, bra. Like I didn't eat anything in oil, ekwanyama and everything. It was a journey that I was embarking on for a certain duration of time. And then bandizayovaswa ke ngoku kuthweni, you understand? And then after that ndibe free. Like ngoku wafumaniseka into yokubana uzawufuna nam ndingene ezi zinto and whatsoever. Ndithi no, mna ndenzela mna, but I can't be with a person who's not open enough for ezinye izinto. I'm not saying ba mna let's say ndisela isilawu okokoko nawe vuka wenze laa nto because it's part of my cleansing. You cleanse your way because you can even cleanse spiritually or in a Christian form. I understand that you going to church uzile ukutya for 30 days, that is cleansing on its own. I understand uzile, you pray about the matter.
Please guys, to our viewers, we're not referring only to people that do traditional stuff. If you're a Muslim or you are a Christian, have a way of like trying to remove bad luck from previous relationships, because sometimes it's just bad luck that you carry. That's what I want to say.
So for me, like I always wonder, it's like the thing of alcohol, ne? We are now trying to find ways zoba singabutya njani ubutywala. We are not saying basibiyeke ubutywala. Kind of like it's like ayide ibekwe suggestion ethi, guys, how about we just stop with relationships, because it seems to be a lot of yadmin, you know. So now hence we have all these problems in soul ties and whatever. There's always problems with those things. When you're in a relationship with kids, it's a problem. This, it's a problem. All those things. But why don't we just think of like just stopping? Isn't that another option? So that we say that okay,
see yo.
You know I love you with all of my heart. uyayazi uba ndiyathanda ne andizi ingxaki ijeni yakhe yena akafuni kwaso
I think that's very helpful. That could be very helpful. That's
I can't. That's sometimes.
I
always say to my gents or to people that I talk to that, hey, I can't be always ndixinwe ngabantu abane-testosterone okokoko. No, I need to be around people that have progesterone also. Imagine I'm always with guys. Man, I need someone that thinks differently from a man's world. So now if you're gonna say Masieke relationship don't give me 0 up on grand. That note, man, of salt is we are just brushing that of the thing of soul ties and stuff. Please, people, try to do that. Take it because, but don't take this one that we must stop.
That's a bad advice. That's a bad advice.
Yeah.
Umjolo bra noba uyasikhukhuza. Yo, Amara, yo mujolo uhlobonisa mawu.
Everything, even money is wasted. There's sometimes on a dating. And talking about money that is wasted, man. Do you feel like the black text thing is killing the young people? Or the black texting is not something that is supposed to be done, or
that's a very deep one because most Yabantu they suffer from that. Look, abazali they have this tendency of feeling entitled.
Yeah, not just abazali, even your siblings.
Even siblings, bensaya apho ukuyicacisa you understand. Uve esithi umama kusalizwa. Dakufundisa. Don. Okay, you were gonna chill with umntana ongafundi?
Yeah, bro.
It's in the constitution. Umntana une right to education.
Yeah.
You as a mother, you
yes.
had to teach.
Oh, you as a parent.
You as a parent, you had to go to emsebenzini in order for your kids to get grand education. Yeah, I understand. But in black text, we are a very depressed generation.
Yeah.
And ungafumaniseka if you go to your stats, black text.
Yeah.
You understand that? Ibe ngumjolo.
Yeah.
Yeah, understand? Ibe those two things when it comes to each generation ngoku. But I feel like in most years it's unemployment.
Yeah.
Because zininzi graduates but akukho lula ukufumana umsebenzi. But when it comes to this thing, yeah, black text, as I said, in general, the family feels like sakufundisa so makasokole umntana kamakazi uphangela wena. There's this lady that I love dearly. Ulomntana, she just turned Mrs. Kovani. Keep moving dadwethu.
Okay.
She shared a story and almost half of abantu base-Eastern Cape they cried. You know, like umama did not appreciate certain things azenzayo. Akho ndingathi imali ngathi xa uqala uphangela. You know, me going back to umama, uyamazi umama mke appreciate nento encinci. You know, the last time I bought her a bag because I could see that akana bag yophatha ecaweni. The way she cried, I cried also. It's like the way she appreciated. Yeah, I understand even the smallest things.
Yeah.
So Mrs. Kovane was like uthi usenza into ethile ufumaniseka ba ngoku lento ingathi kunyanzelekile uyenzile. Remember you have work, funeka uphume lapha endlini, you have your own space. I always tell people soze uzibona ba awunanto usahlala kokwenu ube uphangela. Yeah, understand? Phuma uzawukwazi uthenga i-microwave, uzawukwazi ubuild umzi, uzawukwazi ngokwakho. Now ufumaniseka ba uno life wakhe funeka enze into ethile but kukho lo uzamxelela ba umhlambi athi umuntu andiyifuni mina i-3000. Uyaqaphela you went out of i-budget yakho. Okokuqala upheya malini uzawunikeza i-3000 kokwena bathengani i-groceries nombani azokuxelela ba wena ndazange ukhulise nge-3000. That's oppression, my guy.
Yeah, it's not fair because I've seen a lot of young people suffering from that. It's depressing.
It is depressing.
I also saw there was this training Brendan, one of the
yes.
I don't want to say a victim, but she also went through that. So it's a crazy thing, man, when the people that you are related to feel entitled to everything that you have achieved. Okay, it's fine. We are not saying mama ko okanye your brother my safari ne. If you are able to help, I feel like people would gqika so city hayibo into ethile ngento ethile nika imali for iteki undenza as if okanye undenza ndibukeke as if ndingumuntu that can think ingathi ngikwazi ucinga uma okay uyayidinga iteki andikwazi ucinga uma okay why uzokucingela andikazi bona uba okay uphukile ifestile endlini or there's this thing that needs to be sorted out by uba uthi so demanda and stuff. We're not saying okay akho mnandi umama kuba makasafarishe ukhona ne. It's not good, but hey so undifakela i-pressure because uyandibhidisa i-pressure iphakemisa nabani na because akwazi ucinga akwazi uthini. Sometimes you have your own problems.
Hence I said.
Sometimes you have your own problems bigger than theirs. They're not even concerned about asking you like, are you right? Emotionally? Is it fine at work? Are you coping? All of those things, but provide. Into abayaziyo, especially if when you province working into abayaziyo is that how I am. There is COVID that at that time, there is flus, there is this. Alright, now kunjani emsebenzini?
My guy.
Nix, but
I have to
kwethu man hayi bokhawenze kaloku I've ran out of pants and stuff. You didn't even like ask me if ndinjani ndithini.
Do you have pants when I'm duphangelayo?
Yabo.
You know, I have a friend who committed suicide due to black tax. It's a very touchy story. Hence, it was like, okay, when we were sitting arranging this whole thing, we were talking about this. So into ayikade yenza yena wafumana opportunity wafunda ngebhasari because she was very clever. Afumane ke ibhasari yakhe. After that, wafumana a great opportunity to go to Dubai.
Yeah.
So into ayenza wayethumela imali kokwabo because niphuma emkhukhwini.
Yeah.
So after that, wabakhupha emkhukhwini wayobarentela for laa mzuzu because she was still trying to gather imali for uba kuyokwakhiwa kokwabo. Befuna a solid foundation uba makwakhiwa. So kulaa nto uba engazubuya okokoko, so befaka imali kumamakhe. Makuthi ngoku. Hayi mama ithini into? Hayi kushota imali yento ethile. Aqala aqamba hayi mama njani kushota imali yento ethile but andithumeli less than 30k ngenyanga. Yeah, understand that because ndifuna kwenzeka into umrholo wakhe right but ngifuna ukwenza into ethile uyabo. So uthi there was this time when kuthiwa kuxhonywa iphahla so ufuna ugoduka ngoDecember ayo kuyiba noma as much as usenza izinto nawe but ingase uzibone xa ukhona kwenzela uba uzawuthi okay as much as benivumelene kule paint pink how about sichinje into ethile na ube nomdla. Umamakhe wabeka istory ba ingathi kwakuzawungcwatywa kwathini and then after that ubani ukhulele uzawuthini so wayengazuhlala ixesha elide so kuzawuthi na mntanam ungazibuziduba uzaba so wabeka nto side step olohlobo only to find out akho kwandlu eyakhiweyo akuthiwa mhlawumbi uyaqaphela uba uthumele imali eplot makuthengwe umhlaba emveni koko kwakhiwe phezu kwalo mhlaba uthumela every month 30k xa aqonda okay ininzi imali ubonusile it's more than 30k zange kwakhiwe endlu zange kwathini xa ebuya ba kudala efuna ukusurprise ifamily and everything zangathuko ba uzibona uphangela ngoku uzogeza uzothini zange ayixoxe wehla wayezantsi kwegadi wonke umuntu xa esehleli ufika wasiqhoma. Yeah, understand. So abazali they oppressed because bafila entitled. Xa efika phofu umuntu she was wearing designer clothes my girl. You understand? So uyayiqaphela ba you're black taxing umntana and then you're losing genuine friendship or a relation because Mrs. Kovana kasavani nabantu bakho nomamakhe precisely. Omnye naye nabanye most yabo bavana notata babo because ngokutata ufumaniseka uba ndakufundisa and then udecide ngokuba xa ufuna utya ibhodle yeHennessy soze utye 18 wena ndiyaphangela ngofuna kutya iHennessy mna ndinako ukutya efrijini.
Yeah, I was gonna mention that also ufumaniseka uba ngoku you are buying what you can afford for him or her that anonxiba le nto I can't afford more than that. Mhlawumbi I'm not even wearing into engaphezulu kwale mali that I'm offering people. But anomuntu nje. Hayi anohlala endaweni nje mina ngifuna umrendele flat. Hayibo. Why can't you take what I'm giving you? Because when I want to know,
usogqiba uzothi ke wondile igqolo
so in effect eninzi to the youth black tax emotionally and mentally, because endapha ngoku songarespectwa even nakwi-family meetings andiyazi ke ngoku songarespectwa okanye ufike nje xa kumka kuthiwe hayi suka hayi akho yakhe laa mfana lowa because of uba hayi wena awukhiqizi awukhiqizi izinto ecaleni yabo.
Salizwa, would you let go of umama should umama decide to be that person? Remember, this is a relationship. Umama, you know umama, ne?
Yeah.
We love umama and everything. You know our relationship when it comes to umama. But now, for my sake, about this whole thing, for your own sanity, would you let go of umama? Like, would you tell her? Would you first tell her, sit down with her and tell her how she makes you feel? And then after that, if I got changed, then and remember, if she's not the only one who's being affected by this whole thing. Even some of the family members. So would you let go of our mother?
I don't think I can answer that question now, mainly because even if I can try to be on those shoes of the person, or phethwe kakubi ngomzali wakhe, still I would not understand. I would not understand. Yeah. It's kind of like the thing ukubana ngaba kuthiwa kuthena ngaphumi kula relationship, you understand? Kuthena ngaphumi ngekudala nemkile. I don't understand the depth of the, you know, but still I do understand how difficult it would be to bring that conversation. It wouldn't be easy to be like, hey, mama kukanje na kanje, because I know that it happens that umzali can be very manipulative, whatever. So andiyazi, but I do not think I would let go, but I think I would suffer myself more.
Okay. There's on that thing of black tax food. Do you have friends?
Yes.
I think we have friends. Mostly all of us. So do you think when you buy, let's say it's her birthday or it's his birthday, then you buy something for her, do you keep the price tag or do you remove it? It's a birthday.
I wouldn't. It depends by ton.
Let's say you bought a t-shirt. Okay.
I would never buy you a t-shirt. Sneakers. I would rather give you imali to go and buy something that you would like.
But you see now, the money part.
Ngaphandle ba ndiyayazi ba kudala usifuna iskipa seLiverpool.
Okay.
Yeah, hence in the city it depends.
So
if kudala usifuna iskipa seLiverpool ndiyayazi ba kudala usifuna, I would go and get it. Then that's the only time you will get a price tag kwiskipa. Yeah, I understand.
Okay, yes.
Rather than ufumaniseke ba ufuna iskipa, because ndakuthenga iskipa ngoba price uzasinyanza ngoba bengafuni le ngingathekile.
If you are saying if wena uthengela something for ichomi yakho, you birthday yakhe, you rather like give imali, like that's
yeah. If I don't know what is it that you like, okay, I would rather give you imali than if ndiyayazi ba, since I'm a Chelsea fan, you understand, you know into kubana okay okanye let's say South African football uyayazi ba do Sundowns, yeah, understand. So ubone uthe xa ugqitha uqona awuyazi ba mawuthengele ntoni, yeah, understand, and you know ba kanene ibudget yakhe yatsho uqona kanene kanazi iskipa sebhola and whatever, be like okay nazi iskipa seSundowns.
And I'm like, there are people that have said, also me, I think if I buy something for you, I'll remove the tag, the price tag, because if the nigisa or I give you with the tag, I think I'm putting the scala.
Okay.
If I put the nigga in the price and stuff, so I'm like, I want this bag now, but some people don't remove them. But we have different views on that. That's why I wanted to ask you. And on that note of soccer and of Ebola Sundowns, you mentioned Sundowns. Yeah. Good luck to Mamelodi Sundowns. They've done well. They are representing South Africa. They are going to the final of the CAF Champions League. Yes, Kids Mapagania.
You were parents.
Hey, yeah, I wanted them to be there. I'm a shit fan in South Africa, but I wanted them to be there, but they were almost, yeah.
So since I mentioned that when it comes to the black tax thing, I have a comment. OTA, kancane scheme, ndiva kabuhlungu because I didn't go home guess Easters because of low black tax. Khange bandibuze noba kutheni na ndingakhange ndigoduke ndine message ziluthotho izolo into yokubana uzayithumela okanye
awuzuyithumela. Uyayibona ke loo nto leyo.
It's
deep. It's deep.
And bezabuyaqala ugoduka lo nyaka ugqibelise kokwabo ngoDisemba. Yabona ma abambuzi noma kanjani uthi uyayithumela okanye uyithumele manje. Century 26 upeye izolo. Bazali, you can do better. You know, you can try and have a conversation nabantwana bakho ba utata I remember ndiqala uphangela. So ndimbuze echezi ndikuthengile ntoni? Wathi hayi kaloku mkhondo nothi kule nyanga thenga impahla kaloku kule nyanga funeka uthi ungena phaa ixaxa uba ungena umatshezi ngoku uzawuba nala madlavu uzawusikumphela otshintshi ndithenge loo manzi. Yeah, you understand? I was like, legend. If abanye abazali could do that, because uhamba naye umzali xa uyothenga ii-groceries up until you understand ba okay i-budget ithi uphume kancinci mhlawumbi when it comes to inyama, or okay i-budget ukutya kuthi 3,000 asikathengi nesishebo, uzawukwazi ke ukubhalansisa nawe. You understand? Bazali, you can do better because abantwana benu alibaluzi just because yintoni na. Umntana ufumanise kubutshiphile oko wayehlala eRhawutini uthiwa oko wadibana nalasese unkuthalo ngangingqondo iphinde ithi pri ngelo xesha usese peace kabuthana peaceful ubalekane nendlela and everything. Uyayibona? So and understand
deep, man. It's very deep. Utatako is a certified legend.
Yeah, I would like to marry someone like my dad.
The women, they always say that, but is it yeah. Ish. Does it always work to marry someone like your father? Because your father loves you from a point of being her kid.
But I think karma meets up with most of us. Yeah, I understand. I broke your heart in primary, so after 30 years I'll break your heart.
So do
you actually believe? Oh wow! Society makes us believe in karma. I feel like if it goes back to that thing soul tie. If it happened at that time, and then you get cleansed and everything, ibiyadlula. Yeah, understand? So karma will never catch up with me in a long run because I did that. Yeah, understand? But there is something a karma. It comes in many ways, my guy.
Yeah, because
karma comes in many ways.
Umntu yena usuke acingela uba uzova kabuhlungu ngale ndlela wayivise ngaye umntu angayazi. Uyabo, if mhlambi ndandiqhwabe umntu engenzanga nto ndandinise sorry ndicinga nami uzoqhwatywa ndilindele ikhama endizoqhwatywa kuye. No.
But do you feel like you're the one or installer that mentality of karma engqondweni yakho? Do you know why ndisitsho?
Okay.
Ifana nalaa nto into yokubana ungandithandi mna. It's because of izinto ezazenziwe ngumamam ntoni. So ngiqhubo lo hlobo. You take everything uyenze karma wena ngeyakho ingqondo. Because kaloku ndifuna uyicacisa in a way that uzayi-understanda. Ewe kaloku wenza laa nto ndandiyenziwa ngutata yakhe uyayiva le?
Okay,
and mna if ndikonile in a way ungumamam hayi ndivelelwe iyandiphinda. Nina la mentality of history repeats itself. Iyandiphinda because kaloku phofu bendithembe ntoni ngumntana kaThozameli uyandiphinda. It comes.
So that's our parents then.
That's our parents.
That's a bit different. I think that's anger, man. From them.
Ikarma liyahambelana ne-anger.
But yabona, like not like how I see it. I always say to even when I speak with one of our guys like Uzu, it's not here. You can't keep on hurting abantu. Then you expect I mean, like those people cry. Come on, like, but we do how we are shwabula. So no, no, man, bro. I was really sabando kokoko, and expect when like kube right jani, like gabantu bapi wona gabantu like ucima xa lila lanto sithe lapha lila ulila pha ancimati hayi inkosi umsikelele ubani what. No, there's a lot of things that he or she is saying without you knowing or hearing him or her. So you can't. It's gonna come back bite you. It can. Omnye fumaze kuba uphila by izinto ezirong azenzayo. Aphile futhi ne, but indosho abantwana bakhe uyabakhulisa kakuhle.
Okay.
So that bangahambi la line yakhe.
Okay.
Yokuphila.
Okay.
Bakhula abantwana bakhe bafunde nyalo babe zizinto. Ufumanise kuba bazi victim daily zabantu abarongo. Mntana yakhe firstborn mhlambi ithenge imoto iyathatha laa nto wayayenza.
Okay.
It comes, that's karma.
Okay.
But the child doesn't know. Yena uyayazi.
So there's
You
no
understand?
specific duration when
There's
it
no
comes to
specific
karma.
duration.
It can catch up with you.
It can catch up with you nini na. And ayizuza ngale ndlela ucinga wena izoza ngayo. Izoza in its own way. You can't make abantu balile okokoko. Then when you expect ba kube wrong. Like come on, it does like
Okay, my dad broke inhliziyo ye girlfriend. Ndingekazalwa ne, engekathini ndizalwe. And then ndibe kwi-abusive relationship nomnye nam. Do you call that karma?
You don't know anything about it.
I don't know anything.
Yes.
Kaloku remember utata uphule inhliziyo
yena, it's karma to him. It's karma to him.
So you're trying to say, Nkutalo, karma works in so many ways that ingangazi kum
Yes.
into endandiyenze kumntu,
yes.
but iyofika kumzukulwana okanye isizukulwana.
Funeka efika buhlungu yena for le nto wayenzile.
So generational curse rather, you call it karma?
Yes.
It is karma.
Yes, that's karma. Because they will tell you, if you are a traditional person to go to this place, they will tell you by, hey, so and so did this, man. You need to go and fix that. Because that's karma. As we nice, you understand? So, brother, that's karma. But it's not karma to me because I can't innocent. I'm innocent. But yena waziyo uzokhathazeka mos xa ubona ibrother yakhe safarishe ngento ezenzekayo aqamba yo hayi why are they doing this to Hotman yam uva kabuhlungu, that's karma to you. Then you will
Hey, but there are people who genuinely don't care.
they don't care.
Genuinely, they don't care.
They don't
As
care.
long as a work life or move.
Right.
We understand. Before Sivale, there's this trending video, Yalomdana, who was very disrespectful towards the teachers. Eskolweni. Do you think urhulumente is playing a huge part where abantwana bezikolo bezaba disrespectful when it comes to the teachers? Kukho videos zokubana umntana wayesilwa notishara and izikhali zasetyenziswa, and then utishara ended up losing his job. Yeah, understand that because of awunawuphendulwa ngumntana isigezo or whatsoever. Now lo umntana ebenxilile, he went to school intoxicated. Waphendula ke lonto leyo ebiza amagama amakhulu towards the teachers and whatsoever, but still umntana usangena esikolweni and yaxoxisa into yakhe ye-suspension when it comes to, because ke remember une-right. Do you think corporal punishment ukuyekwa kwayo iya edala umnqantsa between umfundi, umzali ne-education iyodwa?
Yeah, I would like to think so. In fact, I don't think I would like to think so. I think so. I know so. It has a very, 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 very huge impact into how kids are. I'm not perfect.
Okay.
Either. But there's a difference between umdala and umntana, man. You understand? Umntana wenza washing uyokunika impahla pebhek okanye elayinini uthi kuye ungadlali ngamanzi ne you go uyokunika impahla xa ubuya upha ebhafini manzi
that is umntana.
So umntana akazukuva xa uthetha naye. That is why I always say to these guys ababetha their women ndithi umntu that nalapha umbethi but ke nje just kuba into emfanele uyamtswikila kanye umntana omncinci.
Okay.
The only person othetha naye ngala language of using your hands umtswebe umthini ngumntana because umntana xa uhleli naye akazu-understand uba uthini.
Okay.
Umuntu omdala which is a girlfriend, a woman, xa into ungayithandi you talk because you're gonna explain it umva okay umxelele uba andiyithandi uma kanje into umuntu ongazukuva ngumntana because umntana akazoyi-understand. The only time azoyi-understand uba utheni usithi kuye azoyazi uba kurong uba xa uyolenga ebahlangene amanzini kuxa xa ufikile phaa umntu sikwekha apha ehlanzeni then next time xa binecinga ngizobetha ehlanzeni up until i-age yoba
ungabisabetha
umxelele uba amamela xa ungene emanzini uzoba amanzi ne akho right uba manzi then aqoba okay next time angene emanzini. So inezigaba ngezigaba laa nto up until to a certain age they okay no awusambethi seyazi ngokuba okay hayi man I must be at home okanye I must be at school ngexesha elithile. So I think corporal punishment iba isuswe ezikolweni because mna ndanthi ke ndifike late esikolweni primary school ndifumane 3 lectures yabo ndiyazi uma the following day afunahamba late because akho mnandi especially xa kubanda
ukho la miss you-one.
there's a teacher out on udokotela evele imeki yes it's not sure who knows it. So wawuyazi ba and if uphumile isikolo singafuna ukuxoxa wasiphume the following day uzoqala uthathe lectures zakho why then uyayazi ngoba andiphinde ndiphume before like the school time. Awungene eklasini late before singene eziklasini esikolweni kwakucheck izandla to see if we don't have any bends. Awuchayi. You understand? Now ujikele emveni kwendlu eklasini ngebreak batshaya intsangu esikolweni bane-inch banantoni yayiqala phi upreventa ukuthi awungena kuthiwa kuba uma uyatshaya ubethele le nto yokuqala wathi athi omnye hayi bendikhwezela like ezilalini bendibasa umlilo ubethele le nto uba zinzi yayidlanza then after that uyasetshwa. So now ayisenziwa loo nto leyo ne because of bane-rights benza ntoni ke ngoku umntu ngebreak uyaphuma uyotshaya intsangu ubuye hype ebona ootishala bebaza into ezincinci abenze ntoni abadisrespect because babona laa nto bendiyibonile itrendayo ibisithi uthini unatya uthini. I think at that moment I don't know mna I could have stupidly lost my job kula situation. Yes, it was going to be stupid of me
because
benza mngoma. Yes, it was going to be stupid but then umntana athetha ngale ndlela
and clearly laa mntana I felt like laa nto ayiyo esikolweni uyiyo
nasendlini. Exactly.
I always say ungumzali you might teach uElam into yokubana ayenziwa ke into ethile uyayi-understanda xa ephuma ngapha kweyadi abe yinjubaqa uyayi-understanda kuthiwe hayi ifana ntontontontontontontonton ube ungakhange bekanti wena wenza loo nto leyo kulaa issue buyithetha. I remember high school there's this loving sir that I used to love kakhulu wathi wobona into yokubana izinto are getting out of hand. He was my maths teacher, Mr. Claus. Athi kuthiwe akubethwa kaloku esikolweni.
Always strict maths teachers.
Mamela ewe athi mamela ke nyana since silingana mna nawe because siyalingana ndithi ndibeke enye ibubeke enye ne okay but ke gqibele nakuzibakho inkunzi ezithu ekuhlandeni nobuyi-1. So into wayeyenza yena wafumaniseka uba uyayithethela into yokubana mna kweyam iklasi ndicela ubetha.
Yes.
Because ngoku I am losing abantwana. Uyayi-understand and ke ngoku losing abantwana kunjalo ndizawukhetha mna my mental health ndikushiye apho umntana kungamfundisi kanti phaa eofisini phaa phezulu funeka ndixoxe uba kutheni isubject wam ifeyile ndibe ndingabethi up until wafumaniseka uba mandibenzele iskill aba because wathi xa ebetha omnye wabetha wakrazuka inyama kulaa nto yophepha wayovulela i-case and everything. So he had to azicenge because he was the best teacher.
Yeah.
Azicenge uba angabethi. So into wayeyenza was like, hey, mafuna ndisidownloade nam ngoku. Ndidownloade sami isimilo and everything. So iibras zaseklasini because sithi noba uyabhala khafana ucinge sibhala siyabala and everything. Iphume ibra ilayita ingawu zakwalapha
eklasini.
So he was like, okay, sheka umzimba apha because ndiyakubona uba uyanqanqatheka. Ukrobe apha efesti wathi iibras zonke ezitshayayo ngeperiod yam tshintsha niyohlala ngasezifestireni. So wawusithi kwa-Mr. Class uba yiperiod yakhe ukrobe ngefestire umzimba lapha uyangawuza phaa indlela wayepaselwa ngayo. Kwangekho mntana wayefeyile imaths yakhe. You understand? Because when andithi right loo nto leyo but yayisistrategy sakhe into yokubana angaluzi umsebenzi and umntana angayiluzi ilentuka imfundiso. And he retired because umdala ngoku and isikolo sasikhala. Even the MEC was complaining about the fact that hey wafumana strategy on how to ufundisa abantwana and everything. So I think the government should reconsider the corporal punishment type of thingy because now yazibona ezi video ziviral azifihlwa. It's not like a hearsay and everything.
Then some other people were commenting there basically the teachers could have handled that the right way. Okay, it's fine, they could have handled it in a different way. Because the point yabo is that why should abanye abantwana baseklasini basafarishe kube yoya umntwana oyi-1 azingamanye amaxesha uyakwazi umntwana nje beseklasini bonke nje angamameli uxesha liphuma ngaphumi uzothini lo uyi-1 uzophuma ngaphumi ufake i-earphones angafanga i-earphones ngawuthi umculo udisturb up. So how do you handle that? So yes, okay, zazenzeka i-mistake where ufumana sekubatishala kubethile mhlawumbe yakrwaca izipheli mhlawumbe uthini but i-corporal punishment asilingani. We will never. There's a stage where now I know man lo muntu lona ngoku uyayazi into wrong neko wrong. Xa usengumntana a lot of things awuzazi noba ungatishwa na awukho kwi-level to know everything that is wrong. Usekwi-level yoba akuxelele uba uchase athi hey awuzobuya apha ngo-9 awusoze uyi-understande xa cacisele ungumntana uba why sithi subuya ngo-9 awuze uyi-understanda because take for example xa ukhulu umncinci esithi umzali yo mntanam andinamali uyaphangela you never understood it but now umdala that is when you understand uba uyakwazi umntu ngoku engena aphangela angabinayo imali. So ezinye izinto you won't understand them noba ungumntana uthini with. So the only thing that you ezakwenza ungazenzi is being strict. I'm not saying ube strict to the point but like umzali wakho uthi qha umntu squawk umntana wamtsweba umthini so that like hey if andibuya ngapha ndizotsetsha ayo abuse
quick one.
Okay, just to share my views on everything any theta with regards to corporal punishment. Number one, I think eyona nto enawusenza sikwazi ukuphumelela in this matter uxa abazali bezawuthetha ngamoya mnye.
Okay.
Yeah.
If umntana sinabazali that say this ngasoze ndiyobethelwa mntana noba umntana ndibethi yaphindwa. That's what abazali say. So obviously that's why kuzoba easy kuba umzali once umntana azawubuya mhlawumbe isandla sidumbile. You understand? What's this? Akazuyobuza noba kwenzeke ntoni but uzawuthatha umntana e-police station abe sedotishala ndimfuna ephumile ngoku. You understand? Of which now bayaphuncuka ezandleni. And another thing is that kule nto uyithethayo umntana does not understand uba its consequences zizawuba njani ngelaa xesha.
Yes, because
so you cannot say umntaneni into yobana ngaba for example me I'm a product of iSwazi but belikhona ixesha loba mhlawumbe bekadilo umisi mhlawumbe athi khawuphume phaa phandle. I did not mind ngelaa xesha kasoma ndiphume phandle. It did not come to me that hey son you are missing out on imfundiso enawutshintsha life wakho. You understand? So as umntana you need i-pain engoku because I understand leya. Let's prevent that pain zobana xa umdala ngoku. Let's give you some pain ngoku so that uyazi. That's me. I-homework ndabengenazo ndizibhale mna if ndandingabetha.
Because the content that's driving you
you were not going to understand the importance of e-homeworks are preparing you for umsebenzi. So that's what I'm saying, but there is levels to everything. So that's a good point that you are making.
So in closing now, you do agree with the fact that urhulumente should sleep on the corporal punishment, but iphinde ibuyiswe, we would have great future leaders, right?
I think with the way abazali abangayo, most of abazali are not into this yokubethwa kwabantwana, to be quite honest, and we call it ukwahlwaya thina sithi most parents are not into this. Most parents bayatsho ba umntana nemethi, I talk to my child and mhlambi bayava abantwana. I think iyabasebenzela bona, and so it's a difficult thing for government to implement that when we have abazali that are against this thing, of which it's bad because abantwana bayaphela kwenzeka zonke izinto because abantwana akho nto bayoyikayo. There's no pain engoku, but later in years xa umntana strugglisha engafumani imisebenzi just because angafunda whatever, so it becomes
because
a
there's
problem.
stuff that umntana ndibethelwa zona isemncinci ne. Hey, nami banomsindo at that time. I didn't understand them. You understand? Ayikho le nto yenzayo. Ubethwe ube ne-cheek, but okay, but now that I'm old, I'm saying thank you to that person who used to like, because if we're not, let me understand, okay, out to school, end up end up but now, because Dimdala, I can. Okay. Hence they were so strict, been better. Okay. Ubethi ufika later esikoleni, it teaches you nasemsebenzini ba akho right ufika emsebenzini ngosophangela yabo.
It happens. It changed my life so much because I remember now when I was doing grade 12, there were some opportunities that would come. Kuthiwe kubani manje umntana esinamthatha. You understand? Kuthiwe nguZitha. And I did not understand yonke lana, but whenever I would go and be a representation of the school, I would come back kutisha la ndithi no ndiye ndancedakala kuthiwa ke mntanam, we did this because ungumntana ongamelayo.
Yes.
And now I realize
I was gonna touch on that.
But now like we don't understand.
Because we're not.
Yeah, I was gonna touch on that because I remember being enrolled esikolweni, kubuzwe ke and everything. So athi lo Messi ndime phambi kweclass, ngubani ke igama lakho, introduction, ndingusipho sethu uZitha. I was like, you, I hope ungandiphoxe ke because zange ndaphoxwa ngoZitha.
Yeah,
bafundisile uZitha. And nam ngoku I was like, you Thixo ndiyacela ndingenzi into ezawukwenza ifamily yami idane. You get me? So I feel like before sivale, bazali ni SGB, you understand that, nani bani nas attenda eza meetings uzayiva masumntana ba umntana uqhuba njani. Isikole meetings ziyabizwa esikolweni, uyimele into ethile because bakhona abazali athi ningaxakwa ngumntana apho ngombe into le kababa. Bakhona abazali abayimelayo le nba ndimngomba phambane kwapha endlini, buyanixaka ningakhlengenize naye apha kum umngombeni. Yeah, so ingxoxo mpikiswano ngoku because omnye makangabethela umntana, omnye abethele umntana. So ibanjalo, ndicela nenze umsebenzi ube lula when it comes to teachers.
It's a great word that you use there, lithi
kukohlwaya. Yes, like, yeah, that's how we used to call it now.
For doing into
wrong.
Yes, I know there's this guy from who's called Crown Prince Wakopitoli.
Oh,
he's doing it a different way.
Okay.
But ngoku it's ngabasele badala fumaniseke uba bebengabethwa ne. Bakhona abancinci babone lezi, but mostly ngabadala. So he's doing something that is so.
Yeah, big ups to Prince Wakopitoli. Yo, that's a great thing.
Yeah, and babuya pha be respect. So imagine now you have to say.
Because akukho lula ukhulisa umzali.
You're that guy.
As much as ingabazali abakhulisa abantwana, nathi singabantwana siyabakhulisa abazali.
Yabo.
Yeah, understand. So akho lula ukhulisa umzali. Joka bendihleka omnye umntana ku TikTok uvalele umama wakhe ngaphandle. Umama wakhe khangabuye wambuza ba lixesha lobuya understand, it was a prank. Lixesha lobuya umama wakhe hayi no hayi awuzuthetha loo nto kwami. Wathi sisi yimele into ethi ngiba nomqolo kumwa uthe elo xesha lobuya ngokwena uyayijikela le nto wayithethe yebo. So sometimes ezinye ii-pranks they are very educational and everything. Uphele ehleka umama wakhe and then waphinda wabuya after noba like 5 minutes wazothi hayi mntanam, as much as ubundlalisa but inyani le nto ithethayo. Funeka ndiyipractice into endiyishumayelayo, ndicela uxolo. I felt so touched ilaa nto leyana. Few words before sivale.
Yeah, a few words because this thing has actually touched me. In fact, almost everything that we spoke about touched me. The black text, this yabantwana because I was once a child. Nam ndangambethwa. So I think what I can touch on, please man, government, please just try to think about the amount of rights that you are giving to abantwana. One person said to me, a video that I watched from one of these videos of social media, there's nothing wrong in being nice because government is nice to the kids, but being nice only is a problem.
It's a problem.
Being nice is a good trait, but being nice only
It's a problem.
is a problem.
It's a problem. That's
Don't
huge.
be nice only, because once you are nice only, you know that happens, you're gonna allow it. So to the government of South Africa, please man, just sleep on that. And to our parents, our grandmothers, the young mothers to the young kids, please, it's killing them.
It's killing
It's killing them. Don't be so overprotective of your kids. That's all I can say.
Yeah. Sally's what? Few things to touch base on?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. I think Mnadia Funo appreciated that. We appreciate you, Kakul. You know, as us. You know, your inputs, they do matter. You understand? Omnye umuntu uyawuze athi kutheni lo muntu angakhaze cacaba naye is part of the team. Yeah, understand? Mr. Producer, your opinions, they matter so much and everything. Elam, I hope zonke izinto esizenzayo apha you learn a lot. Wangomntana udisappointayo, you're such a happy soul, but asiyazi uba ubomi
Our kids.
Yeah, but all I can say is bazali, you can do better in all aspects. You know, you are not trying to be a great mother usuke ungavumelani norhulumente ube ucinezela umama womnye umuntu. Utata womnye umuntu. Teachers are parents also. Kwabantwana babo. Now imagine umuntu, that's why most yabantu ufumaniseka baba depressed kwa emakhaya, umuntu akanabele because edikwe kwa into edimene nomntana because umkhuphe emudini kwaqala, uye understand. And ke ngoku imudi yakho kaloku ungumuntu awuzuthi just because ubunemudi efoul emsebenzini ubuye endlini ube ne happy mood usabambeke kulanda because unxunguphele. So ngoni aba affect abantwana babo. Yeah, understand. So let's try and work together as SGBs and everything. Do research more about soul ties, guys, and what is it that you can do to prevent ezinye izinto ezingahambi kahle ebomini. Umhlambi you can have a better life, you know, because zininzi izinto ezisinqangileyo when it comes to ubomi bethu because of us not being aware. We are so unaware of izinto ezenzekayo. You get me? Other than that, guys, thank you for hanging with us.
And continue hanging with us,
Yeah, go to our YouTube page. You go to Usali Media, or you can even use igama lethu like bendibonile ngoba sisearch hang with us kancane uzasibona phayana on YouTube ke guys. Please subscribe, comment. Yonke into mhlambi advices zenu thina now we are so open.
We're gonna appreciate that.
Yeah, so communicate with us.
Yes.
Kakhulu. Otherwise from umachezi omhle I am this hang with us kancane.
Kancane.